So, sa morning kami. Yes, good morning. Okay, go. So, punta kami dito sa Starbucks. The famous Starbucks Hiraya. Parang ang haba ng pila. So, tingnan na lang muna natin. Okay.
Starbucks Reserve Hiraya is located in Tagaytay City. The Starbucks Reserve Hiraya store will take customers to a stunning visual journey where the store intricate design offers breathtaking views of Taal Lake, one of the largest lakes in the Philippines.
9 o'clock pa lang ng umaga, sobrang haba ng pila. And a weekday ngayon, a weekday. Pero sandwich naman siya ng holiday, so baka, aroy.
As one of the most popular tourist destinations in the Philippines, Tagaytay is known for its spectacular view of Taal Volcano Island and the surrounding lake. Starbucks Reserve Hiraya sits on a ridge that overlooks some of the picturesque and attractive scenes in the area. Kaya naman ang pagpunta namin dito talagang sobrang tagal talaga ng pila sa labas. Umabot kami ng 2 hours para lang makapasok. Thank you nga pala sa lahat ng nanonood ng videos ng Traveling Lola. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to help our channel grow. You can also share our videos to your family and friends if they like food and travel videos, especially if they travel with senior citizens. Once you enter Starbucks Reserve Hiraya, it's one gigantic open space with one of the most amazing viewpoints of Taal. And alam ko sasabihin nyo, sa lahat naman ng places and restaurants dito sa Tagaytay, meron ka talagang magandang view ng Taal. But the structure of the space makes it more cinematic, almost like entering the entire wall of a screensaver of this picturesque volcano and lake. And kita nyo naman, pagkatapos ng pila sa labas, pipila ulit kayo sa loob. Pero don't worry, yung pila sa loob is simply just to order your food and yung drinks. Kaya naman nung nakapila kami, tinignan na namin yung mga merch nila, the design and the interiors of the place, and super ganda naman talaga at meron ding mga unique merch dito. Marami din silang mga offering ng food and pastries. Here's a sneak peek of their Starbucks Reserve menu. So aside from the breads and pastries that they have, they also offer the regular Starbucks drink selection na makikita nyo sa Starbucks all over the world. Pero what's special about this branch is that meron silang sariling Starbucks Reserve Hiraya selection. And since nandito ka na, take advantage of it, pumila ka na rin lang, i-orderin mo na yung Starbucks Reserve drink selection nila. Medyo tumagal din ng pila dito sa pag-order kasi I'm sure the people in front of us nahirapan din sila ng o-orderin. And it's true, 2 hours ka lang talaga pwede magstay dito inside Starbucks Reserve Hiraya. But that 2 hours starts from the time that you order. So once na nag-place ka ng order and the cashier punches your order, doon na magsisimula yung 2 hours mo. So, doon sila magbe-base doon sa time of ordering, doon sa resibo mo. So, make sure that you keep your receipts. They will charge you 300 pesos kapag nag-exceed ka doon sa 2 hours from the time that you purchased your food.
Or buying bread because baka hungry na sila man. Mga usual namin binibili. Gonna try one of the cakes, apple pumpkin. Tingnan natin kung masarap.
Sige ba, i-ano ko lang hanggang max kulang grande, no? Hanggang max ang grande. Si Mirai natin.
And finally, naka-order na kami! After namin mag-order, we decided to just find a place to sit down. Actually, marami ka naman pwedeng mauupuan dito at mabilis din sila maglinis ng mga upuan. Take note that you will collect your Starbucks Hiraya drink dun sa special Starbucks Hiraya bar nila.
Ayan, nakabili na kami ng pagkain namin. Inaantay lang namin na dumating. So, niredeem namin yung yung freebie dun sa survey. So, ito siya. Ayan. Kinuha namin yung Hiraya latte. Tapos,
Nag-order din kami ng mga ibang food. Ayan. Ito, at saka ito. Ayan, so, antayin lang namin. Ang final thoughts namin dito, pwede naman talaga kayo magpunta. Just be prepared for the wait. And then, kung bibili kayo ng mga drinks, make sure that you get the Starbucks reserved drinks para naman sulit ang pagpunta nyo dito. Dito na muna namin tatapusin ang vlog namin. Itutuloy natin ang pag-explore sa Tagaytay sa next vlog natin. So if you like food and travel videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel. You can also hit the notification bell icon so you're notified pag mayroon tayong bagong upload sa channel namin. Thank you for watching our video. Till our next video. Bye-bye!